Hey there! I've got this great topic on Microsoft 365 encryption that's got my gears turning, and I just can't wait to share it with you. Now, imagine you're running a bustling online business, and you're entrusted with not just a mountain of data, but also crucial confidential information shared through emails, files, and chats with clients. You wouldn't want any surprises, right? Well, this is where understanding Microsoft 365 encryption becomes the superhero of your digital day. Picture Microsoft 365 as this massive hub, a playground of communication where sensitive information zips around. Encryption is like having an invisible cloak that keeps that information safe on its journey, making sure it's seen only by those it's meant to bypass. And when we talk about Microsoft 365, we are usually talking about services like Microsoft 365 Business, which is not just a lifesaver for email protection but also a giant in safeguarding Office documents, OneDrive content, and Teams conversations. Every bit of data, from emails to shared docs, and even chats, are secured under this encryption umbrella. But here's where it gets intricate. Microsoft 365 encryption uses two types of keys, customer and service keys, to lock and unlock data. Now, in layman's terms, customer keys are like personal secret codes you, as a company owner, hold. While the service keys are like trusted wizards of data, constantly employed within Microsoft's own secure vaults. Now, you might have heard about the encryption schemes, the SSEC and SSEKD, right? Sounds like something out of a spy movie, doesn't it? Basically, these are two robust secret-keeping methods used for data and for the customer keys themselves. Let me tell you, there's this whole complex dance of algorithms that ensures data remains locked tight, only to be accessed with the right key, a sort of digital handshake between sender and receiver. But hold on, how do we get our hands on these secrets? You're not alone in this quest because I'm going to walk you through how this encryption is woven into the Microsoft 365 fabric. We're not just talking about turning it on like a light switch. No. This is like orchestrating an intricate symphony of technological harmonies across your cloud service suite. First things first, you'll want to enable these encryption settings that shield your customer data. It's as if you are setting up a digital fortress around your information. Now, get a grip on configuring these advanced settings because it's not as simple as flipping a switch. This involves several layers, including Office 365 Trust Center setup, SharePoint policies, and understanding metadata about where your files live like Office 365 files and SkyDrive folders. Now, let's not forget the customer encryption keys that play a role in this. Imagine a master key that fits into a vault to protect your business's heart, the customer keys. You need to know where they're at because that's where data access comes to play. But keep in mind, not all files are born with this cryptic cloak. Certain services, like Exchange Online and documents within Office, aren't covered when you opt for full disk encryption. The decryption process for some elements needs to happen outside Microsoft's protective shell. Next up, let's talk about troubleshooting. This isn't just a one-size-fits-all solution. The cloud is as unique as your business, and sometimes things don't go as planned. Incorrect password policies, misconfigured domains, or even sneaky browser-based attacks can throw a wrench into the encryption works. Now, for those who love a challenge, diving deep into the technical depths, there's this fascinating encryption aspect known as encrypted charges or ECC, which is a testament to Microsoft's continuous innovation in safeguarding communication, keeping in mind privacy and security without being burdensome on performance. And as if that's not enough, how about ensuring you are using the latest encryption standards? Yes, that means rolling out the newest Microsoft 365 encryption schemes like SSE C2 to keep your enterprise ahead of the curve and always a step ahead of eavesdroppers. Now, to wrap our chat, let's touch on some best practices and policies for managing encryption. Adopt a culture of confidentiality, implement strong password practices, and don't skimp on regular review sessions for your encryption policies. Remember, the encryption isn't just a tech tool, it's an ethos, a way of life for your digital safety. In conclusion, Microsoft 365 encryption is a critical asset for any enterprise, an invisible guardian protecting every piece of data that crosses the digital divide. It's a tale of trust, technology, and teamwork, where encryption is the hero ensuring data privacy, resilience, and compliance. Now, I think it's time you dive deeper into Microsoft 360 encryption guidelines. Visit Neeraj's website at .riaz.tech and subscribe to TechLab for more enlightening insights straight to your inbox. Can't wait to keep this conversation going with you.